for the chicken fajita bowl, we have our food prepped. There's our chicken marinating. We have our veggies cut and our cauliflower cooked to make the cauliflower. Hey guys, so here's my dish for somebody who doesn't have weight loss surgery. But once you make this for your family or for yourself, what you're going to want to do, just to remind you, is you're going to want to cut that chicken up into very small bites, the size of your thumbnail. You want to look at those bites, make sure they're really small, kind of that size. And then you're going to cut up everything that you need. Now, since we're using a cauliflower rice, you're technically not using a starch for this dish. But we're still going to treat it like that. So we're going to start with that on the bottom of your half cup measurement. And then we're going to pile on the fruits and vegetables. In this case, the vegetables cut up. And then we're going to add the chicken on top because that's what we need to get through first. See here, we're already stuffed in just that much. That's what you're going to eat. Of course, you can eat it out of here or you can dump it on your small plate. As long as you know you're going to eat that amount, it really doesn't matter what order you eat it in. And then you're going to have kind of that much. Enjoy.